Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Today I'm trying some new hair. I have some old braids that I washed and I laid down in the front with a little bit of Got2b spray and some curl mousse. Let me show you the hair that I'm going to use. I've never used this hair before. It's called Freetress Pacific Curl and has 3 times as much in the pack. I got 3 packs of this, even though I think I'm only going to need to use 2. It is 12 inches, and I got 2 packs of color T30 and 1 pack of color T27. What I'm going to do is take these out of the pack and mix these 2 colors, and I'm pretty sure that I won't need a 3rd pack, but in the event that I do, I have it. These were $10.99 per pack at my beauty supply store. One of my packs was listed as $8.99. He told me it was an error, but he still gave it to me for that price. If you're looking for an in-depth tutorial on how to do crochet, I'll put that here. I have one for braidless crochet, but obviously it still stands if you have braids as well. I just can't braid, so most of the time, my crochet styles are braidless. So here's what the T30 looks like out of the pack. Here's the end. 12 inches stops about right there if I connect it to this braid. Here is the T27. It's giving copper, it's giving blonde. It's still dark at the roots, so it's gonna blend in with my hair pretty well. I'll show you how I install a couple pieces. Again, if you're looking for a full tutorial, I will put that here. So starting on the side, I'm gonna go in the back here. Crochet hook goes through. I don't think that I'm going to fluff this hair too much. I think I will take one side of it, run my fingernail through it, and maybe leave the other side uniform. I'm not quite sure. We're gonna have to see. Put it on the latch hook, close, pull through, grab it, open it up, and grab the hair. I'm looping this twice. I don't think I need to loop it anymore. There we go. So I will definitely be trimming because it's, gets frayed when you pull it apart. But I'll be back when I do my full head. So hear me out. A risk was taken. I took a risk. And I don't even think it's the color I dislike. It's the pattern. This curl pattern, I think, on me, at the very least, looks better darker because it gets very fluffy and fuzzy. And when it's darker, it looks more natural. But an attempt was made, okay? A risk was taken. Do I love it? Not so much. Do I hate it? I do. So listen, I use less than 2 packs, which is great. I put about 2 fingers with space between each piece because this hair fluffs up so much. I did try to separate a piece. Things went terrible. So I didn't separate, but I did fluff. I did some trimming. I was going to do bangs and then realized it should just stay to the side. E for effort, because this, you try it, because I'm not going to try it again. So yeah, this hair is fun for whoever likes this curl pattern. It's the Pacific curl. You get a lot in the pack. I think this would be cute as a sleek pullback ponytail. I do think that would be cute. Maybe a little half up, half down situation. Or maybe just on somebody else. Again, an attempt was made. A risk was taken. I was going to do a middle part. It's giving clown. But here we are. Let me know if you've tried this hair, what you've done with it. I think rolling some up in a cute bun on the top of my head might be cute. Just let me know. I'm gonna keep it in for a few days though. I want to give it a chance. It's very different than what I'm used to. All that to say, I ain't doing it again. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace, and until next time, y'all have a great day.